Kenya software house.
In agriculture, Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru has asked the national government to stop importation of duty-free rice that has flooded the market so as to save local farmers from losses. Waiguru says harvesting season for rice in the expansive Mua irrigation scheme is setting in, and ongoing importation of white rice could further destabilize prices. Waiguru says the government should prioritize buying all locally produced rice before allowing importation of the duty-free product.
On matters to do with rice, I have said it many times, there's two issues. One, we are aware that we are told that rice importation is important because the amount of rice that we produce in Kirinyaga cannot feed the country. So whereas we accept that, we say and we are requesting the national government two things: that before any rice gets into the country, that they should have mopped up all the rice from our stores, including the rice that is near being harvested, but the farmers should be booked in advance so that we do not affect the prices of rice for our farmers. The second thing is that when the rice comes from external, it should only be to fill the gap and not to flood the market to the extent that our farmers' prices come down. So we're calling on the national government to give priority to Mwea farmers so as we can give them an incentive to continue pursuing their livelihoods. And finally, there is the privatization of the rice mill, the Mwea rice mill. We are saying that, and we've said this before, I said this about a year ago, that when the privatization is being done, priority should be given to the Mwea farmers to purchase those government shares, so to be given to the Mwea farmers before any other private individual is given a consideration.